Every time you use energy to make something happen, energy is transferred or changed. Some of the energy transferred or changed is useful, but some of it is wasted. Look at the picture of fuel being added to a motorcycle. The motorcycle engine uses the chemical energy stored in the fuel. This chemical energy is changed to useful kinetic energy to move the motorcycle and rider. But chemical energy from the fuel is also changed into thermal energy and sound energy. In fact, only about 1/4 or 25% of the chemical energy in the fuel is used for movement. The other 3/4 or 75% of the energy is wasted energy. This wasted energy is dissipated and cannot be recovered. Dissipated energy is energy that spreads out where there is no use for it. You cannot gather thermal energy or sound and bring them back into one place to be stored, changed, or transferred. Both lamps A and B in the picture change electrical energy to light energy. Lamp A only changes about 15% of the electrical energy into light. 85% of the electrical energy is wasted as thermal energy from this lamp. This is dissipated as thermal energy. Lamp B changes about 50% of the electrical energy into light. 50% of the electrical energy is dissipated as thermal energy from this lamp. Every time energy is changed or transferred, there is some thermal energy is wasted. This wasted thermal energy is dissipated. Even when you want to produce thermal energy, some of it is wasted. Look at the water being heated in this picture. In the picture, chemical energy from wood is being changed to thermal energy by the process of burning.